Welcome students. Today we will start with the problem set 15. Here we will see the division. Here you have to divide the 4-digit number with 2 digits. Okay. In previous standard also you have solved the division sum. In that you have divided by 12, 13 like that number. Okay. Now here you have to divide it by the bigger number, that is a 32, and you have to divide a 4-digit number. Then the method was same. Now see here, just let's start with this. See here, see here you have to divide 1284 by 32. Okay, now this is your divisor, this is your dividend. Okay, clear? Now here the answer you will get, that is your quotient. Okay, and after that the number you will get, that is your remainder. Okay, so let's start with this. Now here you have to divide by 32, then make the table of 32, that is 32 ones are 32. It will be easier for you to make a table on the right side, that is on a rough column. And 32 2s are 64. 32 multiplied by 2, you will get 64. Then 32 multiplied by 3, that is equals to 96. 34 multiplied by 4 is 128. Like this we will multiply. Okay, now see here. Now here first you will take the first digit. Now here the first digit is 1. Then you have to divide 1 by 32. But 1 is smaller than 32. Then here we will write 32 zeros are 0. 32 zeros are 0, and after that subtract 0 from 1, then you will get 1 here. Okay, now take this 2 number down. Okay, you will take this number down, then it will become 12. Again the 12 is less than 32. Then again you will write 32 zeros are 0 and subtract 0 from 12, then here you will get 12. After that take that 8 here, then it will become 128. Clear? Now after that see 32 4s are 128. Here is it 32 4s are 128. Then here write 32 4s are 128, and here you will get the remainder, that is 0. Clear? After that the 4 number is here, then take it is down. See, and again the 4 is smaller than 32. Then here you will write 32 zeros are 0, and the remainder is 4. Then this is your answer, this is your remainder. Then at the end you have to write the quotient and remainder. Then here you write quotient, that is your quotient is what? That is 40. Quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. Clear? Now in the similar way we will solve the second sum. The second question is 5587 divided by 86 divided by 87. Okay, so first we will make the table of 87, that is 87 ones are 87. Okay, then 87 twos are 174. 87 threes are 261. 87 fours are 348, 87 fives are 435, 87 six are 522. Okay, like that we will make the tables. Now let's start the division. Here 5586 is divided by 87. Then first we will take the first number from the left side, that is a 5. Then 5 is smaller than 87. Then we will write it 87 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. We will take the next number down, that is it will become 55. Then again 55 is less than 87. Then here we will write 87 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 55. We will take the next number down, that is 588. Sorry, 8. Then our number become 558. Okay, now see here, here 87 6 is 512. Sorry, 522. Then we will take one more, that is 87 sevens. Then if you multiply 87 multiplied by 7, then you will get here 609. Okay, 609. Then 558 is less than 609, and that's why we will take 522. Then 87 6 are 522. 87 6 are 522. Now subtract it. After subtracting, you will get here 8 minus 2, that is 6. 5 minus 2, that is 3. The number become 36. Okay, now take the 6 down, then your number is becoming, that is 366. Now 366 is coming in the between, that is 348 and 435. Then we will take 87 fours. Okay, 87 fours are 348. Now subtract it, that is 16. Here it's 6. 8 can't be subtracted from 6. Then we will take 1 from here. Then it will become 16 and it will become 5. Then 16 minus 8, that is 8. And 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Then your remainder is 18. Then here write the answer, that is quotient is equals to 64 and remainder is equals to 18. Clear? Now similarly take one more sum. Take the this sum, that is 56,741 divided by 26. Okay, see the sixth one, that is 56,741 divided by 26. Okay, now see 56,741 divided by 26. First we will make the table of 26 here, that is 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are 52. Okay, then 26 threes are 78, 26 fours are 104, 26 fives are 130. Like that we will make. If we find, then we will make further also again the table. So let's start with this. First take, here it is, first digit is 5. Then 5 can't be divided by 26. Here we will write 26 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. We will take the next number down, then the number become 56. Now 6. This 56 number is comes between the number 52 and 78. Then we will take 26 twos are 52. 56 minus 52 is 4. Take the next number down, that is 7. 47. Then see, 47 is coming in the between 26 and 52. Then we will go with 26 ones are 26. 26 ones are 26. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now your number is 21. Now we will take the next digit, that is 4. Your number becomes, that is 214. We have find till 26 5s are. Then we will continue with this, that is 26 6 are 156. 26 7s are 182. 26 8s are 208. 26 9s are 234. And 26 10s are, that is 260. Okay, now we will continue with this 260. Now see here, 240 is coming between 208 and 234. Then we will go with this, that is 26 8s are 26 8s are 208. Now 214 minus 208, that is 6. Okay, now take the next digit, that is 1 down, and it is become 61. Now 61 is coming between these two numbers, that is 52 and 78. Then we will go with this, that is 26 twos are 52. 61 minus 52, after subtracting 52 from 61, we will get here 9. Then your remainder is 9. Clear? And your quotient is 2182. Then write the answer here, that the quotient is 2182. Remainder is 9. Clear? I hope this division is clear to you. Now from this 3, 4 and 5 are your homework. Okay, and now in the next class we will continue with our word problems. Okay.